MPW has just announced that they will hold their earnings conference call on May 9th. They will release their financial results before market opens, and the conference call will take place Thursday, May 9th, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, to discuss the first quarter 2024 financial results. Some websites and brokers were estimating that the earnings would take place this week, and it didn't. So it was probably prudent for them to make this announcement now so that we would know when to expect it. I pretty much figured it was going to be maybe a little bit later than estimated, just because some other things have taken more time recently to announce, like the dividend. And frankly, they've had a lot of transactions and things going on, and probably needed more time to prepare all of their information for the shareholders. This is a particularly important earnings release, considering all the things going on with Steward and with their liquidity transactions, not to mention the short interest, which is now burgeoning to nearly 37% per Fintel, though this is a lag measure, and I do suspect that the actual short interest could even be higher than this. So, will it squeeze? That is the question. Among the items I'm interested to hear an update on would be the overall situation with Steward, as well as any potential specifics about the proposed deal for Optum Health, which is a subsidiary of United Healthcare, to buy Steward's physician group. The proposed deal, I think, would have major implications for the future of Steward and possibly some consequences for MPW shareholders. I will also be watching with great interest to see if they give any update on a proposed date for closing on the Yale New Haven Prospect Hospital deal, as this should represent a few $100 million more in liquidity for MPW, and I think Medical Properties Trust will, with this additional liquidity, really tamper down any short-term risk of insolvency or default on any of their debt maturities. The REIT's liquidity also plays a big role in their credit rating. In fact, when S&P Global lowered their credit rating to B+ from BB, the first reason that they listed was due to liquidity position and the fact that it was being pressured due to the upcoming debt maturities, as in they're concerned that they don't have enough liquidity to meet those obligations. Now, if they raise a couple billion in liquidity, in the short run, that pretty much abates that concern, and along with some improvement in Steward, could be a step towards getting their credit rating upgraded again. Not only do I think that a credit rating upgrade would be viewed favorably by the market and potentially affect share price, I do also think that it would give them more options and possibly better terms on any future refinances they might need to do, or on acquiring some secured financing in some strategic instances. This is especially true if perhaps interest rates come down a little bit before some of their larger maturities come due in the coming 2 or 3 years. So I'm watching this part of it with great interest. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to try to do a live stream reaction to the Medical Properties Trust earnings conference call. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Make sure you like the video for the algorithm. Join us on Discord, a link in the description. We talk about MPW and many other stocks every single day. It's what we love to do. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful evening.